Here we go on Raven.
Charlotte sucks.
Oh my gosh, the queue for Dracon.
Whoa, that is a lot of cars.
Here we go.
Woo!
I can't remember this.
Oh! Whoa! Truck is broken down.
Oh. Yeah, that's where they're going to put all their little chalets.
Helix, 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 helix. Now what is in this shed? Whoa!
Is that like a Raven?
There's a big raven with evil eyes.